We're really into the silly season rumors now, and that could be that man right there, Tom Vialle, two-time 250 Supercross champion, could be moving back to MXGP. Obviously, with the new rule, he has two titles. He will be ineligible to race the 250 class anymore, so he'd have to move up to the 450 class. With the expected move, I guess you'd want to call it, to be with him, Aaron Plessinger, and probably Eli Tomac. That's a whole nether rumor, to have a three-rider team. Well, the now going rumor, and this comes from, let's see here, MXnews.net, which is an Italian site, and backed up by Lewis Phillips, saying that he could be moving to HRC in the MXGP. Well, there's also a whole nother side of things, because obviously they have Tim Geiser and Ruben Fernandez, so one of them would have to be moving, which means big names going all over the place. And who knows? I mean, obviously, he's come over here for 2 years. He's won 2 titles. Maybe he doesn't want to race Supercross anymore. Maybe he doesn't want to race the KTM 450. Who knows where this falls? I mean, obviously, it's a big move. Obviously, to come over here for 2 years, leave Europe, leave all the MXGP or MX2 tracks, whatever you want to call it, that he's raced for forever. Come over here, learn Supercross, new team, new tracks, obviously motocross, all new tracks too, and then possibly switch right back after 2 years. I mean, technically, he probably could get a really big contract. You consider he's a multi-time MX2 champion. He comes over here and he's a multi-time Supercross champion. If he goes back over there for the 450s, he's going to get a big paycheck no matter where he goes. I mean, whether it's KTM over here to race the 450 side of things, whether it's HRC over there to race the 450 side of things, it's going to be a big payday for him. But it's also just big news. I mean, it's one of those strange things. If you're going to come over here, uproot your whole life, learn a whole new side of the sport with Supercross, something that he's never ridden over in Europe, because it's not a thing really, to take all that time, make all that effort to come over here and then just say, I've done it for 2 years, peace, I'm going back to, MXGP and what I know. It could happen. It's kind of a strange thing, but I mean, it's going to be a lot of movement this off season. Obviously, with the rumors of Chase Sexton leaving and Tomac moving to KTM, and if Vialle's going over to Honda, there's going to be people changing lineups over there. You're not talking just, one series or the series that we have over here. It's multi-series, multi-continent, big name changes, big money contract changes. I don't know. It's exciting. I mean, who knows what's actually going to happen? I guess we're going to have to wait and see until something's actually written in stone and announced. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is he going to stay here with KTM and run the 3-rider team to continue Supercross on a 450 and motocross obviously too? Do you think he is going to move over back to MXGP, the tracks he knows, whatever, different team? Who knows? Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.